Rupali. I am your activity teacher from Elite American Corporate School, Patiala. Today is pasting activity, and today we are going to learn how to make a dog face from a paper. Okay, so we need a paper. If you have a colored paper, then it's good, and if you don't have a colored paper, you can take white paper and color the white paper. Okay, so let's start with today's activity.
First, you have to take one square paper. Now fold it diagonally and make a triangle. Then fold it again to make the impression of a line. Leave little bit space over here and then fold it like this and fold it here also and like this. Open here and fold it again like this. Fold it from here also. Take a black sketch pen or a black pen to make nose, eyes, mouth, mustaches, and now we will make a tongue. Take pink paper. If you don't have pink, take a white paper and color it pink. First you have to draw U shape from one side and cut it like this. See how I am cutting. Now take glue and paste it over here like this. Our paper dog face is ready. Children, practice it with any sheet.
Okay, students, make your dog face from